You have been diagnosed with cancer and will be undergoing treatment in a city away from home. The costs of your treatment are starting to add up, so your social worker referred you to stay at an American Cancer Society Hope Lodge. The Hope Lodge program provides a free home away from home for cancer patients and their caregivers. The Hope Lodge confirmed that they have availability for your requested referral dates, so you will be staying as a guest at the Hope Lodge. You load up your car and head to the Hope Lodge with your caregiver, who will be staying with you during your entire stay.
Hi, welcome to our Hope Lodge. My name is Torian, one of the staff coordinators here to help you with your check-in process. Come on, let's go get you taken care of. All right, so now we're going to review and discuss your arrival paperwork, get some signatures, and go over any questions that you or your caregiver may have. Also, you could put a pin in the map, show where you're from. We've had guests that came from all over the world to stay with us. We understand that parking and ride shares are costly, so we provide you with a courtesy shuttle service. You can stop by our front desk and sign up, or you can give us a call to schedule your appointments. These are based on a first-come, first-served basis to help you get to and from your treatment. Welcome to your Hope Lodge kitchen. We have coffee and tea available for whenever you like. Our refrigerator, freezer, and pantry are stocked with items generously donated for all of our guests and caregivers while they stay with us. You even have your own dedicated refrigerator, freezer, and pantry to store your food items while you stay with us. You can use any of our cooking areas. We have all the pots, pans, appliances, utensils for you to use to prepare your meals. Today, we even have a volunteer group cooking our guest lunch. You are more than welcome to come down and eat whenever you get settled in. This is our Hope Bell. The ringing of this bell signifies the close of one chapter and the start of another. We have someone here ready to ring the bell now. Come join with us in the celebration. This is our donor wall. The names that you see on this wall and on all the walls throughout our Hope Lodge are from donors who have given funds to make this Hope Lodge possible. The American Cancer Society Hope Lodge rely on the generosity of its donors to provide services, programs, and lodging for all its guests and caregivers. Our meditation room provides an environment that is peaceful and quiet for our caregivers and guests to find a place to get away from it all. This is available to you anytime. This is our fitness center. It's available to our guests and caregivers 24/7. We have strength training and cardio equipment available for you to use at any time. Welcome to your home away from home. Here in the family room, we have your TV with free cable and Wi-Fi. The bedroom has 2 beds, one queen size and a full size for you and your caregiver. We have laundry facilities available on every floor for to use at any time at no cost. We provide fabric softener, laundry detergent, as well as cleaning supplies for your use. All right, your courtesy shuttle is here to take you to your next appointment. Meet our volunteer driver, Rich.
Tori and I am happy to be here.
And we're happy to have you. You are in good hands. Thank you for allowing me to show you around our Hope Lodge. Welcome to your home away from home.
The American Cancer Society has over 30 Hope Lodge locations throughout the country that provide so much more than just a place to stay. They provide a community of support and an emotional connection with others facing the same journey. The American Cancer Society provides over 500,000 nights of free lodging per year, resulting in $55 million saved by cancer patients and caregivers. Join us in supporting our local Hope Lodge. Contact a Hope Lodge near you to get more information on how you can get involved or visit cancer.org/Hope Lodge.